I'm Charles Busch, and welcome to my home. How do I describe my style? It's fake theatricality, fake opulence. It's a 19th century Parisian whorehouse. It's the Pirates of the Caribbean ride at Disneyland. Oh, red. The color red. Oh, I find red, just red-headed women and red gowns and red velvet and red. There's something decadent and outrageous and defiant, warm, extravagant, theatrical, red tufted furniture. Yeah, I love it. To me, it's opulent and embracing. And even in my crummy apartments, they were kind of dazzling, even though, if you look closely, all the walls were water damaged, but I had this aesthetic. It's always important for me to live in a physical world that reflected my imagination. When someone walks into my bedroom, not that there are that many, darling, I had this image in my head that I wanted to reflect 1920s set designer Natasha Rambova. So August came up with the idea of putting in an arch in the bedroom, and it gives it a little bit of a feeling of a proscenium. At the moment, I think my favorite element in this apartment is that wallpaper. Someone said to me, don't you think you maybe have one too many photos of yourself in the room? I said, I have no pictures of myself here. Of course, they're everywhere. I guess this room is sort of filled with me, but why not? This is the home of a playwright. I became a writer because I knew that I was such an odd, kind of androgynous type that there really would be no roles that I'd be cast in. So I became a writer out of necessity. But gradually I've found that in a way I'm happiest when I'm writing. For me, that's not a discipline, but it's an escape and my greatest joy. I love this neighborhood so much. Abingdon Square is just, for me, a little bit of heaven. I'd say my biggest indulgence in this apartment is this original Art Nouveau poster of Sarah Bernhardt in the play Gimondi. Sarah Bernhardt, oh my God, she was a director, a sculptor, a painter, not only played courtesans and empresses, but over a dozen male roles, including Hamlet. She's extraordinary, and really my whole life basically has been inspired by her life and career. And when I was a kid, I had in my bedroom the $4.95 small poster of her in this play Gimondi. And I've just always dreamed that someday I'd have the real thing. Home to me means safety, security, a cocoon, being surrounded by memories and things that remind me of beautiful moments from the past, and also a place where I can dream and have hopes for the future. I love pattern upon pattern and layers of color, and when do I know that it's done and that there's just too much? I haven't got to that point yet.